If your school is partnered with the School Locker, then you're entitled to a unique student number, which allows you to unlock exclusive student pricing on a variety of merchandise throughout all of our stores and receive discounts and deals on promotions that we regularly run. Added to this, every time you buy something from a School Locker store, a portion of the sale goes back towards your school, and they can use this money to buy things like textbooks and technology, sporting equipment, stationery, instruments, and much more. This quick video will show you how to create an account and activate your Student Advantage number so you can do things like quick checkouts, have multiple shipping addresses, and even monitor your orders nice and easily. If you haven't already registered for a Student Advantage number, the first thing that you'll need to do is go to theschoolllocker.com.au/customer/account and then find the little icon right in the middle of the screen that says Create Account. And after clicking on that, you'll be asked to put in your first name, put in your last name, then follow with your email address, and then put in a secure password, but maybe write it down so you don't forget what it is. And after you've verified that email, because you don't yet have a Student Advantage number, you just leave it blank and click on the Submit button. You'll be taken to a new page where there's an option there to click on Student Advantage card number. When you select that, you will be able to generate a Student Advantage number. So you click on that little option there. All you need to do is fill out what the school is that your child attends and what year level they're in. And once you press submit, you'll see that Student Advantage number pop up, and that will be your unique number that you can use to get amazing deals on all our education pricing and special promo deals that we do for the School Locker. And if you've done that successfully and you have a Student Advantage number, then you're ready to start shopping and saving.